Hey there, today we're going to transform your laptop into an exciting IPTV powerhouse. Imagine watching all your favorite shows and live sports directly on your laptop screen. First, let's talk about what IPTV is and why it's becoming so popular right now. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, delivering TV content through Internet protocols. You get to access a massive library of channels, movies, and live events worldwide. Okay, the first step is to choose reliable IPTV software to install on your laptop. There are many options available, but be sure to select one that meets your needs. Next, you'll need a subscription from a trustworthy IPTV provider for quality content. That's where a secret tip comes in. www.2tv.store offers the best IPTV services. After choosing a provider, it's time to configure the settings on your software. Most IPTV providers offer easy guides for setting up the system in minutes. You'll quickly find how seamless it is to navigate through all the available channels. Feeling overwhelmed by choices? Don't worry, there's also a search option. Now you're set to watch everything from sports, news, to premium series anytime. With IPTV on your laptop, you're in control of viewing what's entertaining anywhere. Hope you enjoyed this guide and are ready to elevate your viewing experience.